During pregnancy, it is crucial for women to maintain a healthy diet to ensure the well-being of both themselves and their growing baby. One often overlooked but highly beneficial addition to a pregnant woman's diet is passion fruit juice. This tropical fruit is not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients that can support a healthy pregnancy. First and foremost, passion fruit juice is a rich source of vitamin C. This vitamin plays a crucial role in boosting the immune system and promoting overall health. During pregnancy, a woman's immune system is naturally weakened, making her more susceptible to illnesses and infections. By consuming passion fruit juice, pregnant women can increase their vitamin C intake and strengthen their immune system, reducing the risk of getting sick and ensuring a healthy pregnancy. In addition to vitamin C, passion fruit juice is also high in antioxidants. Antioxidants are important for neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, which can cause damage to cells and lead to various health issues. During pregnancy, the body undergoes significant changes, and the growing baby is particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress. By drinking passion fruit juice, pregnant women can provide their bodies with a powerful dose of antioxidants, protecting both themselves and their baby from potential harm. Furthermore, passion fruit juice is a good source of dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and preventing common pregnancy-related issues such as constipation. Many pregnant women struggle with digestive issues due to hormonal changes and the pressure of the growing baby on the intestines. By incorporating passion fruit juice into their diet, pregnant women can increase their fiber intake and promote regular bowel movements, alleviating discomfort and promoting overall digestive health. Another important benefit of passion fruit juice during pregnancy is its high folate content. Folate, also known as folic acid, is a B vitamin that is crucial for the development of the baby's neural tube, which eventually forms the brain and spinal cord. Adequate folate intake is essential in the early stages of pregnancy to prevent neural tube defects and other birth defects. Passion fruit juice is a natural source of folate, making it an excellent choice for pregnant women looking to support their baby's healthy development. Moreover, passion fruit juice is low in calories and fat, making it a healthy option for pregnant women who are conscious of their weight gain during pregnancy. While it is important for pregnant women to gain weight to support the growth of their baby, excessive weight gain can lead to complications such as gestational diabetes and high blood pressure. By choosing passion fruit juice as a low-calorie, low-fat beverage, pregnant women can satisfy their cravings for something sweet and refreshing without compromising their health or the health of their baby. Additionally, passion fruit juice is a natural source of potassium, an essential mineral that plays a key role in regulating blood pressure and fluid balance in the body. During pregnancy, the body's demand for potassium increases to support the growth of the baby and maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. By drinking passion fruit juice, pregnant women can increase their potassium intake and help prevent conditions such as preeclampsia, a serious pregnancy complication characterized by high blood pressure and protein in the urine. In conclusion, passion fruit juice is a highly beneficial addition to a pregnant woman's diet due to its rich nutrient content and numerous health benefits. From boosting the immune system and providing antioxidants to supporting digestive health and promoting healthy development of the baby, passion fruit juice offers a wide range of advantages for pregnant women. By incorporating this tropical fruit juice into their daily routine, pregnant women can ensure a healthy pregnancy and give their baby the best possible start in life.